got around 10 minutes till market open. We've got around a 2.33 gap to the upside. So we are going to be taking puts today. It's weird, we're taking puts again. But hey, that's what the market's making my strategy call for, so I'm going to take it. Yesterday was our third day in the green, and today is hopefully our fourth. This 2.33 gap, if it were to fill immediately, would most likely get me around 80%. If it were to fill pretty slowly, I think I'd get somewhere around 40%. So we're gonna be taking around medium-sized contracts. We're gonna be setting the stop loss at 50% and then putting the take profit at the gap fill. So that's basically it. I will catch you when we have trade results. See ya. So contracts and market were super volatile in the first minute of the day, and I ended up actually missing my entry. Literally the first minute of the day, market dumped and basically half filled the gap. So it would have been a pointless entry because I wouldn't have gotten any sort of value on my contracts if it would close the gap from when I entered. So I ended up waiting a little bit, got the contracts at a better time. So let me show you. So ignore the fact that I'm currently losing right now because that just happens. But basically this is where market open happened and it just immediately dumped here, and so I ended up waiting until price ended up coming back here, and yeah, we're currently losing this trade. So damn, that's trading for you. It happens. Chat, we're kind of back. We are kind of back. All right. I got cooked. Couldn't get 4 days in a row for green, but that's all right. Ended up losing 40% on these contracts. Stop loss got schmacked. Summary of the day was I was wrong. It was not a puts day, it was a calls day, and you live and you learn. Strategy's not going to be perfect, but that's just day trading. You got to have good discipline. Luckily, these contracts weren't that heavy, so I didn't end up losing too much per contract. This was that trade. So yeah, just getting absolute smacked in that trade, but it happens. What I got going on for today, whole lot of nothing. Open out my neighbor today around 10 o'clock. Probably gonna go on a run after, and after that, done. So, yeah, I'll catch ya. Peace. All right, gang. So since your boy's a big loser today, I gotta find a way to cope. So after my errand I gotta do with my neighbor, I'm gonna head to the gym and do leg day because that sucks. And I feel like I would care more about that sucking than about this trade sucking. So we're gonna do that. Outfit of the day, got some Chucks, Champion socks, Lululemon shorts, Kanye hoodie, football t-shirt, and a fresh haircut. Shout out Pablo. Yeah. And then after the gym, chug some protein, and then head to a little cafe, grab some coffee, then look over the trade, see what the hell went wrong. And then from there, I think that's the rest of the day because I got nothing else. So catch up. And next time I'll be talking at the camera will be coffee. Peace. All right, so it's a beautiful, marvelous day in the state of Washington, nice and sunny. It's like 60 degrees, so it's just perfect weather. Gonna go park myself down somewhere, grab myself my latte, and I'm gonna get some schoolwork done because finals week is approaching way too quickly, and then play some chess, go over the trade that happened this morning. Not like go over, but just talk about it. And then from there, that'll be the video. So, yeah, catch ya. Haven't done one of these in a while, so got a latte, got the charts in front of me, and we're gonna go over it. Market closed 12 minutes ago, so as you guys know, I lost my trade today. Sucks, but it happens. So the idea was to put contracts immediately at market open. Didn't end up working, so had to time it. So next 1 minute candle was a big resurgence to the upside. When I say big, it was big in retrospect to the first candle. Took puts there and then basically never saw profit. Market ended up rallying and was above market open till 10 o'clock Pacific time. And so immediately just got wiped. It wasn't a puts day, it was a calls day. Reasoning for that was probably a couple things. Past 3 days were put days, and I ended up making money on those 3 put days. So fourth day, by law of probability, there is reasoning for it to go up. Also, at market open, we were above the first deviation of previous closed VWAP. So I guess you could say that trend was to go up after yesterday, but there was a $2.5 gap to the upside on SPY, which was my reasoning. So I'm not mad about it. I didn't go heavy on the contracts, so I didn't take a big loss at all. That's good. That is a good latte. Didn't end up taking a big loss at all. So we're good. So today's Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday were wins. Wednesday was a loss. We're still green on the week, which is great news. And we're still majority profitable for the week. Are we profitable overall? No, but we're learning. We're reading charts and we're trying to understand the markets. I saw the other day that reading charts is similar to reading or learning a new language, but instead of having a comparison, so if it's like learning a language, then why can't I just compare it? Well, it's like learning a language, except you have no clue what each word means. You have to figure it out on your own. So learning market trends pre-market versus post-market, learning market trends pre-New York lunch versus post-New York lunch, learning the value of gaps in VWAP and when they are the most valued and respected, stuff like that. Eventually, I hope to have an eye of understanding for it. But then again, the markets are the markets, and no strategy is 100% successful, and proper risk management and discipline in purchasing price for contracts is essential. So after that 10 o'clock time, when market price finally came back to open price, we saw a resurgence down to 591, and then it's now closed at 594. So today's range was actually really big. Our highest price being at 599, our lowest price being at 591, which is around a 7.39 movement, or around 1.5%. Of the price of SPY, which is a decent movement. The average movement on SPY is between -1 to 1%. So seeing a -1.23% is generally considered above average volatility day. So Wednesday, lots of volatility, and this was kind of expected. Mondays and Fridays are the dead days. Tuesday through Thursdays are the most volatile days because we don't really have that much impact from weekends and time where the market is closed. So that's the trade. Lost, but it is what it is. Moving on to the YouTube aspect, we currently have 411 subscribers. Over the past 28 days, we've gained 220 subscribers, 240 watch hours, and around 10,000 views. So we're growing at a really good pace, and I would like to keep it going. We are still nowhere near our monetization goals. We are still 3,500 watch hours and around 600 subscribers away. So until then, your boy is still working for free. School wise, I have a lot of assignments due pretty soon. Final projects and final exams are starting to come into sight. So working on getting perfect scores on all of our assignments so that the final exam doesn't hurt as bad if we fail. On a midterm for accounting, I got a C and dropped from my 99 to an 87. So as long as I continue to get a C on this final exam and get 100% on the homework, we'll be all right. Macroeconomics, we're doing all right. Did not do that good on the midterm, but because of previous assignments, it didn't hurt that bad. And then my diversity class is the one I'm really scared for because it's an online class and I feel like I have no clue what's going on. All the assignments I'm turning in on time and getting good scores, but the teacher isn't grading them. So I have no clue which ones I'm doing good on and which one I'm doing bad on. She's only graded like a couple of them. So I actually have no clue. So if I fail that class, that would suck. But you know, that's life. What are you gonna do? Get over it. Do your best at the current day. Other than that, I'm basically gonna wrap up this video, edit this video, and then move on with my day. I'm currently in the green room of the church that I go to. I called my buddy and said, "Okay, can I pull up and mooch off some Wi-Fi?" And he was like, "Sure." So good lighting and good coffee. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Comment down below if you guys like this videos. I'm thinking about taking a break from the daily vlogs, doing sort of weekly updates on trading, but I want to get more into educational content and just content that isn't scammy or guru-y, but content that is sort of relatable to the comments that I've been getting. How to day trade, what platforms do you use, what strategy do you use? Like, I want to get into videos that not only summarize my trading, but also want to address some of the trading questions that you guys have. Again, I'm not selling anything. I don't make money off YouTube. So I hope that you don't feel like this is a guru scam, but I think after Friday's episode, I think I'm going to take a break on the daily uploads and focus on content that is higher quality and more applicable to the viewer. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But until then, I will catch you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's trading day. Peace.